All right, listen up because this is about to get wild. Apple just accidentally leaked the iPhone 17. Okay, no, they didn't. They didn't slip up on apple.com or have Tim Cook post some blurry photo on X. But here's the thing. They did drop their latest so-called budget phone, the iPhone 16e, and left us enough clues to figure out what's coming next. And trust me, it's big. Wait, hold up. Did I say budget? Because $599 for something called an entry-level iPhone feels like paying for a Ferrari and getting a bicycle with rocket fuel in the tank. Today we're diving deep into the chaos surrounding the iPhone 16e, decoding the leaks about the iPhone 17 lineup, and figuring out why Apple might be secretly building phones that could replace your Wi-Fi router. By the end of this video, you'll know whether saving up for the iPhone 17 is worth it, or if you should just stick with your trusty toaster phone combo. Oh, and spoiler alert, MagSafe, gone. Like your hopes of affording one without taking out a second mortgage. Let's get started. So here's the deal with the iPhone 16e. It's basically Apple saying, hey, remember how we used to make cheap phones? Yeah, not anymore. This thing has all the bells and whistles. A 48 megapixel camera, OLED display, USB-C port, action button, even Apple Intelligence baked right in. Sounds amazing, right? Except the price tag reads $599. That's not just expensive. That's, I thought I was buying a budget phone, but now I need therapy expensive. And then there's the kicker, no MagSafe. Seriously, Apple? You put wireless charging in there, but no magnets. What is this? A middle school science project where you forgot to glue everything together? What does this mean for the iPhone 17? Well, buckle up because if the 16th is setting the stage, the 17th lineup is going to cost more than your college tuition. All right, let's talk iPhone 17. According to leaks, and yes, these are as reliable as my New Year's resolutions, we're looking at 4 models. iPhone 17, regular. Same design, slightly better specs. Think of it as last year's leftovers reheated in the microwave. iPhone 17 Air/Slim: super thin, super light, probably super fragile, perfect for people who drop their phones every 5 minutes. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, bigger cameras, fancier materials, and a price tag that makes your wallet cry itself to sleep. But wait, there's a twist. Remember when I mentioned Apple's new custom cell modem, the C1? This little chip could change everything. If Apple gets this right, they can ditch Qualcomm, save billions, and potentially bring satellite internet to your phone. Imagine streaming TikToks from the top of Mount Everest, or at least pretending you did while sitting on your couch. Mark Gurman over at Bloomberg hinted that Apple downplayed this announcement. Why? Maybe because they're planning something huge for the iPhone 17. Something like Starlink integration. Think about it. High-speed internet anywhere in the world. No more excuses for missing deadlines because the Wi-Fi was bad. Now here's where things get wild. While everyone else is busy folding their phones like origami, Apple is reportedly working on a folding iPhone with an invisible crease. Yes, you heard me correctly, an invisible crease. It's like magic, except instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, Apple pulls groundbreaking tech out of Cupertino. The rumor mill says Apple's prototype uses some kind of futuristic glass that hides the fold completely. If true, this would blow Samsung and Google's flips and folds out of the water. But don't expect this miracle device anytime soon. Current predictions point to 2026, which gives us plenty of time to save up or sell our kidneys. Of course, no discussion about modern iPhones would be complete without mentioning Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is supposed to be Siri's smarter cousin, but honestly it still feels like talking to a confused toddler who only understands half of what you say. Sure, it's everywhere now, from the Vision Pro to the cheapest iPhone, but until it stops autocorrecting duck to luck, I'm not sold. Here's hoping the iPhone 17 brings a smarter Siri, one that doesn't ask me if I meant Beijing when I clearly said pizza. Let's wrap this up with the million-dollar question. How much will the iPhone 17 cost? If the 16th is any indication, prepare yourself for sticker shock. Starting prices could jump to $899 or even $999. And don't forget, the Pro models will likely hover around the $1,299 to $1,599 range. At those prices, you'd think Apple would throw in free coffee every morning, or at least include a charger. But hey, maybe the rumored features like Starlink connectivity, invisible creases, and insane battery life are worth it. Or maybe Apple is just testing how far they can push us before we start throwing rocks at their stores. All right, folks, that's the scoop on the iPhone 17. Between the drama of the 16th, the leaks about the 17 lineup, and the dream of invisible creases, one thing is clear: Apple isn't slowing down anytime soon. So tell me, what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade, or are you sticking with your current phone until it literally falls apart? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, smash that like button, or your phone might just turn into a toaster tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.